Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a sofa design as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go rectangle, first corner point, dimensions 600, enter, 600, enter, click here. Okay, offset or enter, distance 150. Okay, select rectangle, stretch. Okay, go trim, enter. Okay, enter, joint, J, enter, select object, enter. Okay, now go rectangle. Okay, chamfer, select polyline, distance 30, enter, 30, enter, select polyline, repeat chamfer, distance 30, 30, polyline, select object. Okay, go wipe out, polyline, select polyline, select no, again wipe out, select polyline, select polyline, select no. Okay, selection styling on, select rectangle, wipe out, select wipe out frame, layer change, wipe out, draw order, send to back. Okay, now copy, CO, enter, select object, enter, base point, copy 2 times, 1, 2. Okay, enter, polyline wipe out, polyline wipe out, polyline wipe out. Okay, now go block, P, enter, block name sofa design 1, select object, enter, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go parameters, base point, parameter linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, select linears, go properties, number of grips 1, value set, this type, increment, distance increment 600, enter, minimum distance 600, enter, maximum distance 3600, enter. Okay, now go actions, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select polyline and wipe out frame. Okay, enter, now go actions, array, select parameter, select object, select wipe out, again select polyline. Okay, enter, distance between columns 600, enter. Okay, Now go action, more, select parameter point, select distance 3 parameter, select object, wipe out frame, again select polyline, OK, enter, again go action, stretch, select distance 3 parameter point, stretch frame, select polyline 9, wipe out frame, OK, enter, action, array, select parameter, select object, wipe out frame, polyline, OK, enter, distance between column 600, enter, OK, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, action, array, select parameter, select object, wipe out frame, select, again select polyline, OK, enter, distance between columns 600, enter, OK. Now go parameters, flip, click here, click here, again go parameter, flip, click here, click here, OK, go actions, flip, select parameter, enter, type all, enter, flip, select parameter, enter, type all, enter, OK. Now save block, close block editor, OK, let's see. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.